Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on notifications of Scrabble Go. So let's get started. First, launch Open Settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on it. Now select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Scrabble Go and perform your search. Tap on it. Scroll down a little and then tap on Notifications option. To turn on notifications of Scrabble Go, enable Show Notifications option. And this is how you can turn on notifications of Scrabble Go. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.